What's going on, guys? Welcome to another live lesson with Cruzy.
It's live?
It's live.
We live.
It's live. We live, baby. Everyone say hello.
Hi. Wait, hello.
What problem are we making? 1-3.
That's the hardest one on
Does
it.
everyone have Autodesk open?
We're about to tell you to do. Yeah. Out.
Start a new part. Start a new part. For those of you watching online right now, we're based out of Philadelphia, and you might hear the word John often throughout the video.
Well, you know I was doing the other Jordan.
Not the only 10 words.
Does everyone have the part open, ready to draw? Uh-oh. Start a sketch.
Already going fast.
Select XZ.
Wait.
What's the pattern? What's the size you guys have been noticing that they all are? 2:1, and what's the extrusion? 1.25. So I'm drawing a rectangle that is 2 by 1. I'll wait a moment for you guys to finish that. You got it? Finish sketch. Extrude by what? 1.25. Alright, let's go back to our drawing. What would you guys do next? You would cut a chunk out of it. Which chunk would you cut out? Okay, on that side? So this right here? So right click, new sketch. Project geometry. Select the rectangle tool. We're going to go 1.5 by 0.75. 1.5 by 0.75. Can you see that? Got it. What's next?
Wait.
Huh? What's that called? What do we call that? Are we done with this dimension? Are we done here?
No.
What do we do next?
We have click on dimensions
Okay.
and then click on the where it says 1.5 that line.
We already have a dimension though.
So we're
But
done.
the distance between the wall and the
I'm pressing finish the sketch.
yeah. All is already good.
It's already good. Finish sketch.
Wait.
Alright, let's wait a moment so everyone can catch up.
Ask them how's their day.
How's your day?
Not us, huh?
Oh, people watching, how's your day? Comment, make a video comment and let us know how you're doing. It's a live. Oh, we live, baby. You good? Everybody ready to move on? So what should I do here? Extrude, cut all. Extrude, cut all. Bam. Hey, B-Ride in the back.
Do the top view first.
What do you want to cut out next? This thing?
Yeah.
Okay. What are the dimensions for that?
1 and 1.
1 and 0.5. So on this right here, everybody see that?
Yeah.
You sketch there. Alright, I drew the rectangle first, I'm going to dimension second. The drawing says that these little legs are 0.25 away from the edges. So that's 0.25 here. That's 0.25 here. Which should make that 0.5. We don't need that dimension. But we do need this dimension, which is 1. Huh?
Do that again.
You all done? That's beautiful. Good job.
Oh, which one's that one?
This is problem 1-3.
I did that one.
You see that?
Got it.
The 1, I click dimension here to here.
Oh,
Oh. Wow. Did it wrong.
can I go to the screen?
Yeah, fill out a pass. Or take one of the passes over there. Good job on your drawing. Alright, extrude cut, so finish. Ooh, baby, we live. We're live right now, guys. We're live.
He's cutting out every single bit that we taught you this. Extrude cut off.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just give that one back.
Now we just make that little cut.
Yeah, the chamfer. We could either draw a triangle or use the chamfer command. So if you click on chamfer, you see that? Chamfer. And type 0.5. It's 0.5. And you click on the corner. See that?
We could have been doing this.
We could have been doing this. So the point of this video lesson was to teach you which tool.
That's the you knew we could have did.
What's the name of the tool?
The
Chamfer, not champler.
chamfer.
Are we done with making the 3D model?
Yeah.
Alright, what's next?
The drawing.
The drawing. Start a new drawing. Here in Philadelphia, we call drawings for some reason. I'm not sure why. Delete. Edit the sheet. What do we do to the drawing, kiddos? What size is it? A. What do we do to the title block? Answer A. Good. What's next? What do we call that? Base. What's the name of this view? Good. And the view? And? Very good. Oh. Problem 1-4 example. Annotate dimension. Yeah. Oh crap! It is 1-3. Gossip said how. So file. Save as. It's 1-3, guys. Save. Save. If you don't know, I'm still going through puberty. I'm actually 12 years old. I have my degree and I'm working on my master's. Basically, what's that one TV show? Never mind. He's a doctor, yeah. You know what I'm talking about? You see this edit dimension window that pops up all the time? I just uncheck this because it kind of gets annoying. Doogie Howser, yes. Mm-mm-mm. Alright, there it is, guys. So save that. We're going to export it as a PDF. So I'm going to press Control S first. And then go to File, Export, PDF. Save. And it might automatically open it up in the PDF viewer. And then either print that out if you're connected to the printer. But always, always, always submit your work on the Google Classroom. Oh, I forgot to update iProperties. Whoops. Right click on that, iProperties. I'm nervous. Problem 1-3. Engineering. I'm the author. I'm the manager. We're at KHS. Or you can make up your own company name. Capricci's Cookies. Apply. Close. See that? Okay. Alright, goodbye.